Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update. And right now I'm looking at OP on the monthly time frame here, and we do have a lot of problem with OP, but the monthly actually doesn't have enough data. So let's dive into the daily as well. And I talked about the daily previously and how the daily time frame is looking like. It's looking really ugly. That's really bad, I know. And right now at the moment, the problem really is that you are coming down to a technical target down at 0.936 level, okay, and that's gonna be your next level of support right now for OP moving forward. So basically, what's coming up next for OP? I do see on a monthly time frame a lot of project having a 74% drop to the downside because of the bear flag. Okay, and Bitcoin is also showing that it can actually go to $8,000 as well. Just watch the Bitcoin update on the channel. So what we're looking for is the following. So from there, if we do actually drop 74%, then this can actually come down to 2 cents. Unbelievable, isn't it? So it's gonna be really, really bad for the people who are investing, because if this one decides to go for that 74% drop to the downside, then we are looking for this one to come down near zero point 0.2. I don't know if there's OP on a different exchange so that we can get way more information. Yeah, so it's a fairly new coin right now. I wish there was a like another candlesticks on a monthlies, because on a monthly time frame, a lot of projects are printing in bear flags, and I want to show you some examples. One being Solana. So just look at how Solana is printing that bear flag on a monthly. So you can already see that bear flag right there, and it's dropping all the way to the downside, right? If we talk about which coin, Jasmine as well. Okay, so if I do show you Jasmine, once again, Jasmine has the bear flag. You can see that this is another. It came down like this, made a flag again, and it's looking for 74%. I cannot stress enough how much all of these projects are looking to go for 74%. And I don't know if OP can move higher, but by its own, it's actually difficult, because when Bitcoin is in a dangerous position, then try to understand that everything is going to move pretty uh, badly to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.